Hello, my name is Harold. This is TechonTech, and today I'm going to show you how to install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 10. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Microsoft Edge. I assume you don't have another browser at this point if you're installing Mozilla, so I'm just going to use the one that's included on every computer. But this is about the same procedure if you want to do it on Edge or Chrome. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and leave this. Don't worry about that pop-up. You probably won't see that. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and navigate to google.com. We're going to go get the link for Mozilla. So let's type Firefox download. All right, should be the first link here. Should look just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on it. All right, we're going to go down here. We're going to left click on the download Firefox button. Same thing, left click. Let's give that a second to download. Additionally, if you don't see it pop up over there on the right hand side and you can't click open file, just go to File Explorer here, then go to Downloads, and you'll see it pop up here on the top. All right, looks like we have it downloaded, so I'm going to double left click on it, open it up. Let's give it a second to do its thing. Let's go ahead and click here. We'll click yes. And let's let it do its thing. It'll take a couple of minutes to run. Fundamentally, this is actually one of the original browsers that came to have a lot of the features that we now know and love, like Google Chrome and some of the newer ones and stuff like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to give it a second here to download and install. So let's let it do its thing. All right, once it was finished with that loading box that you saw, it immediately just went away and it disappeared and it opened up Mozilla Firefox here. Oh, that wasn't the thing I wanted to change. Here we go. Let me go ahead and move this around here. All right, you will find that it immediately and automatically put a link to Firefox on the desktop here. You'll also find that on the right-hand side here, you've got your ability to access bookmarks, history, downloads, and passwords and stuff like that. I will also note what you'll probably want to do is actually go in here, sign in, and set this up, because what this will do is it will take things like all your passwords and your history and your favorites and your bookmarks and all that stuff, and it will actually put it online. So if you lose everything on your computer, you can just sign back in. It'll all re-download back again, and you'll have everything you're left with. So I highly recommend going in here, signing back in, and then of course, same thing, you've got access to all that before. You've got settings. I won't be able to pull it up on here, but there should be a setting within settings here. You can download your stuff from another browser if you need it. Otherwise, that really is it for this quick and easy install of Mozilla Firefox. That's pretty much it. As usual, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, or anything you'd like to see, just note it down in the comment section. And that's pretty much it. Have a great rest of the day.